Okay, so let's talk about what do I carry to the trails. So let's start with the most obvious. You always are going to get maybe a flat or maybe two, you never know. I'm running a tubeless system at the moment, but I always carry a spare inner tube just in case. Also because most of my mates are not using tubeless, so I always carry a 26 with a pressed about because most of us were running 27.5, but still having a 26er will work also for my son's 24-inch mountain bike. Also some tire levers because we know how tenacious some tires tend to be, especially when they are properly seated in the tubeless setup. Some CO2 inflators, a marker with some duct tape in case something happens to that ring tape. Of course, zip ties. My cell phone always goes with me, and also a regular hand pump. I've been able just to inflate a tubeless tire to burp it with a regular pump, it's not a problem. And I carry a set of multi-tools. I carry this old Leatherman. It's maybe like 17 years old. It's a Wave. I don't know if they still make it, but I carry because all the extra tools that I have there, I have a set of screwdrivers and I have pliers and nippers, which come handy on the trail. And also, one of my favorites is the bushwalking saw that sometimes I use to cut roots that are just popping up in the trails that could be dangerous for other riders. One of my favorite tools, I have it forever, and it's always part of my tool set. I also carry a small Allen key screwdriver combination set. I carry this relic from the past. It's a Ritchie CPR 14. Have the chain tool that you use with an extra Allen key, or in this case a T25. And maybe I need to be replacing this one soon, since this one doesn't work with 10-speed chains anymore. So something to keep in mind to get a new chain tool. I have a separate 5mm Allen wrench and a T25. I carry two lengths of chain just in case I snap the chain. I have one end that have the ball, so in a pinch I can press this and it's just for emergency, just to be able to come back home. Or I have this other that have the two balls separated, so I can use a quick link. I also have a quick link taped on the handlebar, actually two of them. I carry some cable ends. I'm one of the not many people that still carry an adjustable wrench, but I think it's a good idea to carry an adjustable wrench, at least a small one, in case you bend your rotors, so you can bend them back in shape. And if they are really bad, that's why I carry my T25, so I can take them off. I also carry a shock pump. I ride hardtails, but I tend to play a lot with the forks. I know that sometimes they overheat and whatnot, but I like to have the proper tire pressure for the shocks. I also carry a headlamp in case I get trapped and need to come a little bit later than I was expected, because I normally ride in the afternoons. And also carry some gloves and some shop towels with me. And this is the pouch where I carry everything. Now, where all this goes in my rusty trusty hydration pack. It's not the greatest hydration pack, but I have enough space. I need to replace it this year because the zippers are starting to fail. But I've been able to carry all this on every single ride from spring to fall, and it's been really awesome. So I have no complaints about this hydration pack. I just wish I could find another one, but for now I will need to start doing the search for a new hydration pack. Okay, so this is all I have for today, so thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. Thank you for visiting the Greasy Bench.